Hi YouTube. Hi Morris. This is Annette Morris and I'm coming on to tell you about this video that's coming up now. This is my Look for Less challenge for July 2020. And our special host is Yami from Latina Next Door, and her co-host is Lynette from DIY Beauty on Purpose. While searching in Pinterest for some inspiration, I came across these baskets that I really like. I've done something similar to this not too long ago, and I decided to give it a try. Now, these baskets was priced at $88, and I came across some that was even higher than that I will show in further in the video. But these are the cores that I came across that I want to use to make this basket. Okay, so let's get started. Now to make the top of the basket, I put together 4 different separate pieces, and I put this together to put together the shape of the top, or you could say the top or the lid of the basket. There's a large bead, a top, a cup, and a top of a salad plate, all plastic. So gluing all 4 pieces together gave me exactly what I need as far as the shape of the lid that I was looking for. And after selecting the right core for each piece, this is the results. Now I'm giving you just clips of how I put this together, but a full video will be coming in time to come. If you're new here, take the time and subscribe down below. Push that button and ring that bell, and meet me back here for more home decor and DIY at a more majestic home and decor. Now, before we go any further, let me take the time to thank our lovely hostess for this collaboration, Yami from the Latina Next Door, and Lynette from DIY Beauty on Purpose. Thank you, ladies. And of course, a link to their channels will be linked down below. And this is the finished basket with the lid for less than $20. Wow, I think it turned out great. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. You can display this on your fireplace, on your floor, or your coffee table. I think it'd make a great decor piece for any room in your home. What do you think? And where would you put this? Let me know down below. A full video will be coming up on this, how I really pulled this together. And here's another upcycle that I did of home decor. So thank you for coming, and I'll see you next time here on a more majestic home decor and DIY. And thank you, Amores.